Hello everybody, this is Mark Hanover with Paradise Exclusive Real Estate in Port Charlotte, Florida, and today I am doing a full video walkthrough of a very special property that I'm showing that is 17951 Woodpath Court, Punta Gorda, Florida 33982. And the reason I actually include that area code is because it's pretty far out, to tell you the complete truth, from Punta Gorda, or what people think of Punta Gorda, and not in a bad way. You're probably about a 10, 15 minute drive from the airport, which would make the downtown probably about 17 or 20 minutes, depending on in season, not in season. Now, this house is pretty spread out here, and you'll see in just a moment. So if it takes me an abnormally long time to start talking again or something like that, it's just simply because I'm trying to get to the next talking point. This particular house is a 3-bed, 2 full bath, 2 half bath house sitting on 6 acres. That is right, 6 acres, in a subdivision called Prairie Creek Park. And now, if you haven't heard of it, this subdivision is actually horse driven. It is horse friendly. It is meant for equestrians. It actually has horse paths, which actually go right behind that building there, which we're going to discuss very soon. And in back of that particular building is actually a preserve. So the really beautiful view I'm showing you in back of you is going to stay that way. Now, all the roofs were redone in late 2022, and that particular building is a kennel that they had built, but obviously can be repurposed for other things. As far as this house goes, the original 2-car garage is right here, and then obviously later on they built a 3-car garage detached. Now, moving inside, we will start going over really how wonderfully laid out this house is. It's nice and airy. Hopefully the video will be able to show you how much head space you have. All of the ceilings are very high. I think you're going to love it. Hello everybody. So, coming in here, you are immediately in the main living area. Obviously, as you can see, very tall ceilings. You have tray ceilings throughout most of the house. There you have a tray inside of a tray. Inside your dining room, which is immediately to your right, there's the kitchen, which we will go into in a moment. There is a beautiful outdoor view, which we will also get to as well. Immediately off to your left, you have a den. Again, beautiful double tray ceiling going up there. And then you have what they're using as an office area as well. And then we are going to go into the master bedroom. Again, with a nice high ceiling up there. I'm going to go ahead and go to the left here. You have 2 really good size walk-in closets. And then you have your master bath. Obviously, you have a very pretty, gorgeous soaker tub. A sitting/makeup area, his and her sinks, the water closet there, and then a very roomy double-headed shower. Moving back into the bedroom. In case anybody's wondering, yes, that's a king. Beautiful little knick-knack shelf up there. And then we have the, of course, wonderful view of the pool as well as the hot tub. Now, if you're wondering what's going on around here, in case you didn't know, we were hit by Hurricane Ian pretty hard over here. And a lot of the trades, especially pool cage trades, are pretty far behind. So it's taking anywhere between 3 and 5 months to get people out typically. So that is the reason why that's done, why that's still not done. It is scheduled, so no worries there. Now coming back out here, obviously you have the triple slider, which we will use as soon as we're done with the rest of the tour. Because as you guys know, if you watch my other videos, I really love ending with the pool, because that's how I am. Moving into the kitchen area, obviously you have plenty of storage here. Solid surface countertops. And plenty of headroom. So really nice layout right off the kitchen. You have the laundry room, again, quite spacious. Moving through the kitchen, you have another dining area, or I wouldn't call it a kitchenette. It's too darn big for that, but however you want to look at it here. And then moving over here, you have the 2 guest bedrooms, yet again, tray ceilings, good sized closets. You have the guest bath, double sinks for guest bath. You don't see that very often, even in $1 million homes. Nice size shower. Then here is the other guest bedroom. Double closet there. And then coming out to the pool area, always one of my favorite spots. You have this gorgeous pool with really, really well kept pavers. And for those of you paying attention at home, this right here, yes, really is a pool bath, which is not always the most common thing to see down here. And you would think that there would be a lot more of them. Sadly, not so much. Obviously, you have a nice little pond out there. There is a lighted, you can just barely see it in the middle, there is a lighted fountain. And I will say that that pretty much concludes our tour for today. If you have any questions or would like to make a private showing, my phone number is 941-202-1995. Again, that's 941-202-1995. You can always go to my website as well at loveflrealtor.com. Again, that's loveflrealtor.com. Or you can email me at mark@loveflrealtor.com as well. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time, guys, and I hope you have a great day.